Then Kennedy has fixed the longitudinal slope of the channel for the given discharge. The various values of longitudinal slope which is given by this Kennedy, which is calculated from different values of B by D ratios. The slope of the channel is decided. Then he has given the B by D ratios, fixation of the B by D ratios for different values of discharge. The values of B by D ratio, which is given in this table, Woods table, B by D ratio, and corresponding to that discharge is given. The width and depth and its slope is given. V by V0 ratio, mean velocity for the given discharge, and given B by D ratio. The various channel dimensions are shown. That is given in this Woods normal design table. And CWPC recommendations I have given for B by D ratios. From this graph, you can calculate this B by D ratio for the given discharge. This is the Kennedy's theory. समजलं इथपर्यंत Kennedy's theory. Then Kennedy has given his method for channel design, how to design the channel section. So Kennedy has given the method of channel design, that is known as Kennedy's method of channel design. How he designed the channel. For that, the various equations he have used for designing the channel section. त्यामध्ये continuity equation आहे, which is given by this equation, Q is equal to area into velocity. Discharge काय formula? Continuity equation. You are studying in the hydraulics. Q is equal to A into V, area into velocity. From this equation, discharge is calculated by knowing the value of area of the channel and velocity of flow. Can calculate the discharge. Q is equal to area into velocity. And second equation, Cutter's equation, which is given by Cutter, is the investigator. From the he has given this equation for velocity, finding the mean velocity of flow. It is the Cutter's equation. V is equal to 23 plus 1 by n plus 0.00155 divided by s divided by 1 plus into bracket 23 plus 0.00155 divided by s bracket complete into n by root of r, and which is multiplied by root of r into s. That equation will be c into root of r into s. This is the Cutter's equation of mean velocity. Then Kennedy's equation is given by V0 is equal to 0.55 m into d raised to 0.64. This is the Kennedy's equation of finding mean velocity or critical velocity or non-scoring, non-silting or non-scoring velocity. It is found out by this equation. V0 is equal to 0.55 m into d raised to 0.64. This is the Kennedy's equation. For calculating the critical velocity, non-silting, non-scoring velocity, this equation, Kennedy's equation, is used. Okay. These are the design steps, design method of this channel design. Then Berkeley's recommendation for n, value of n, rugosity coefficient, that is capital N, which is taken as for earthen channels of North India, which is suggested by Berkeley, which is given in the table. And CWPC recommendation for n, various values of n has given. The CWPC has given the values of n, selecting the characters coefficient of n, capital N, for the channels taking off from the reservoir having silt-free water. The values of n rugosity coefficient is given for type of soil. The soil other than rock, canal discharge having up to 0.14. The value of n is taken as 0.03, and value of discharge in between 0.14 to 1.4. Value of n is 0.025, and value of discharge in between 1.4 to 14. Value of n is 0.0225, and above 14 discharge, the value of n is 0.020. And for rocky cuts, when rock portion at least 15 centimeter above the excavated bed level is left out in working out cross sectional area. When there is rock portion is at least 15 centimeter above the excavated bed level, in that case the value of n is taken as in between 0.035 to 0.05. And when no portion above the bed level is left out, there is no portion above the bed level, then the value of n is taken as 0.05 to 0.080. This is given by CWPC for various values of n. This is a table given by Central Water Power Commission, CWPC. We have given this values of rugosity coefficients, capital N. Then value of n based on the nature or condition of the channel surface. The value of n depends upon the nature or condition of channel surface or nature of the channel surface. The value of n, which is taken from this table, in this equation the slope is calculated. Yes, in this cutter's equation the value of e is taken 0.775. Here the value of capital N is taken as 2.98. The ratio is at 23 plus 44.5 plus 0.00155 divided by S into 1.17 to S raised to 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 0.44 plus 2.98 divided by S into 10 raised to 5. So यावरनं equation solve केल्यानंतर solving by trial and error to get the slope S, which is the ratio of 1 by 5100. This is slope 1 in 5100. From this cutter equation, this slope is calculated. So this is the Kennedy's method of channel design. In this way, the channel section is designed. समजलं इथपर्यंत? Any difficulty in this? Please ask. क्या डिफिकल्टी है क्या? Then drawbacks in the Kennedy's theory. So what are the drawbacks are there in Kennedy's theory? So in this theory, first drawback is Kennedy did not notice the importance of B/D ratio. So he has not given notice to the B/D ratio, selection of the B/D ratio. So you have seen the how this B/D ratio is fixed. That is given by CWPC, Central Water Power Commission. Then from Woods table, we decide the B/D ratios. The B/D ratios are calculated. So this is the first drawback in this Kennedy's theory. That is, Kennedy has not given the importance of B/D ratio. The first drawback. Then that B/D ratio has to take from the CWPC, which has given the equation or a graph between discharge and B/D ratio. From that graph, we have to select that B/D ratio, and from the table which is given in this Woods design table, from that we have to take this B/D ratios. So this Kennedy has not suggested this B/D ratios. Okay, this is the first drawback. Second, he aimed to find out only average regime conditions for the design of channel. So he aimed to find out the only average regime condition. Average regime conditions are which are decided only. Average regime conditions are which are taken into consideration. Average channel conditions for the designing the channel. The second drawback, and no account was taken of silt concentration and bed load, and the complex silt carrying phenomenon was incorporated in a single factor M. In single factor of M, CVR ratio, अपन पहले critical velocity ratio for different types of silt, different types of silt material. He has given the various values of CVR M, that is CVR ratio. So he has not taken into account the silt contraction किती होईल किंवा bed load किती असणार आहे, is not taken into consideration. Is the third drawback. Fourth one is silt grade, silt charge were not defined. Silt चा जो grade आहे आणि silt charge ते त्यांनी define केलेलं नाहीये. आणि त्यांनी fifth drawback आहे, Kennedy has not given any slope equation. Has not given the slope equation for deciding the longitudinal slope of the channel. And sixth one, Kennedy used the Cutter's equation for the determination of mean velocity. Mean velocity काढण्यासाठी काय यूज केलं त्यांनी? Cutter's equation यूज केले. ते दिले पहा. Cutter's equation V is equal to C into root of RS. त्यावरनं त्यांनी mean velocity काढलेली. Okay. Kennedy used the Cutter's equation for the determination of mean velocity, and therefore the limitations of Cutter equation got incorporated in Kennedy's theory of channel design. There are the limitations of using this Cutter's equation for calculating the mean velocity of flow. There are the 6 drawbacks in the Kennedy's theory. समजले इथपर्यंत? So after this, we have seen the assumption made in the Kennedy's theory, then the Kennedy's method of channel design, and drawbacks in the Kennedy's theory. Any difficulty in this? Please ask. Please ask. समझ लगा सगळ्यांना? Okay. समजलं का केनेडी थेरी? त्यानंतर आहे दिस इज फील्ड थेरी.